Using P.Kirupa from student in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, as we have already discussed what is session handling, so we have gone for how can you use cookies in service. So, in this previous session, we have gone for creating cookies, editing cookies, updating, and deleting. So, using cookies for session management. Now we are gonna for updating, right? So, for updating, we all know what is mean by updating, right? So I think it's easy for us to do some changes. To update a cookie in a servlet, we need to create a new key object. The same name as the existing cookie and a new value, and then it added to response object. So the new cookie will overwrite the old one and the client on the client's browser. So you can also change other attribute of the cookie such as max, age, or a path by using corresponding setter methods. For example, the following codes we're gonna use uh, to update the user's cookie with a new value and new maxes. So in this step, we are just creating a new cookie. So here we're gonna max age. All know that what is a max age. So I just use some values like 20 into 70 in seconds. Or it's going to print in seconds. So maximum speed. So next one it could be I'm going to add, right? So response add cookie. So of the object cookie. So this add cookie to response object. So this is how we gonna update a particular cookie in an object. So updating is nothing but can be updated by creating a new cookie object with the same name as the cookie you want to update, but with a new value, and then use the add cookie method. So you can update that particular thing. So next one could be deleting. Deleting a cookie, to delete a cookie in a servlet, you need to create a new cookie object with the same name as the existing cookie and set its maximum age to 0. So max age could be 0 and then add it to the response object. So this will instruct the client's browser to remove the cookie immediately. For example, I just gonna use this same thing. So here I created a cookie called cookie. One would be as I said, we have to set 0, right? So I just 0, set 0, in seconds, it's give some phrase, and cookie response, add cookie of 2. So add cookie to response access. So this is how you can delete a particular cookie. To delete a cookie, you need to set it with an expiration time in the past. So find a cookie by name using request.get cookies of, then set its maximum age to 0 and add it to the response, which will expire the cookie and remove from the client's browser. So this is how you can delete a particular cookie or a service. So we have gone through how you can use cookies in servlets. So creating, reading, updating, deleting. So creating to create a cookie in the servlet, we need to use a cookie class from the Java Servlet.html package. So for reading a cookies, to read a cookie in a servlet, we need to use the get cookies method of the HTTP servlet request object, which is also passed as a parameter to the service method. So next one could be updating cookies. To update a cookie in the servlet, you need to create a new cookie object which is the same name as the existing cookie and the new value, and then add it to the response object. So next one, deleting creating cookies, we delete a cookie in the servlet, we need to create a new cookie object with the same name as the existing cookie and set its max age to be 0 and then add it to the response. So that's all for the session. So we have discussed what are all the basic important things while using a servlet. So we are just discussed for the 8 videos in this session, like session handling, understanding the things. So in this first, we have discussed what is session handling, then what is session there, and then we going to pass on cookies. So next one is gonna discuss about history behind cookies, the types of cookies, how you gonna handle it, the classes in cookies, the methods in cookies, and then the steps. And last one would be how you are using, how you can use cookies in servlet. So hope you guys understand.